Hey guys, so welcome everyone. This is my first video in this YouTube channel and I'm going to demonstrate you how to hack into Windows without any password. So this works only if the Windows user is a local user. Okay, so let's get into this. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this attack using my virtual box. So I'm not go it so that it won't affect my host environment. So I'm going to do this completely in my virtual environment. So for this we need a Windows 10 virtual machine, and we are going to attack this Windows 10 virtual machine using Ubuntu. So first, if you see here in my virtual box, I already have my Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, so right now I'll show you how to download Ubuntu. So just go to Google Chrome. So now type Ubuntu, or you can go to this Ubuntu 20.0.04, and now click on this second link which says releases.ubuntu.com. So go over here and you can download this first one. So it says 64-bit PC AMD 64 desktop image. So click on this and you can download this desktop image of Ubuntu. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. So what I'm going to do is we are going to dual boot this Windows machine. Okay, so I'm not going to add any separate Ubuntu machine to my virtual box. I'm going to boot it inside my Windows 10 virtual machine. So for that, click on Windows 10 virtual machine and go to settings. Now go to storage, click on this adds optical drive, click on add, and then select the ISO file. Now click on open and then click on choose. So now if you see, we have MS Edge Windows 10 as a hard disk and Ubuntu as a CD. So we can also prioritize this. So for example, if you want your so I have checked two boxes over here. So one is hard disk and the second one is the optical drive. So the hard disk is our Windows 10 and the optical drive is the Ubuntu. So if you want to boot Ubuntu first, so click on this optical and click on the up arrow. So now Ubuntu will be booting first instead of Windows 10. So like this you can change your priority. Okay, so after this just click on OK. So first I'm going to boot Windows. So I'm just going to show you, if when I'm going to enter the wrong password, the Windows is going to restrict me from going inside the machine. Okay, so if you see here, I'm just typing some random password, and when I click on enter, it says the password is incorrect and it says try again, right? So right now we are going to break this password and we are going to enter the Windows machine. Okay, so I'm going to change the boot order. So go to power and click restart. To change the boot order and virtual box, you have to click on function and F12. So I've given the restart. Okay, so now I have given function restart. Over here you can see the number of options in the boot order. So the first option is the primary master, the second one is floppy, CD-ROM, LAN, and continue booting. So right now we have our Ubuntu with CD-ROM. So I'm going to give the option C. So when you click on C, see, now you can see that Ubuntu is booting instead of Windows 10. Okay, so right now I'm not going to install Ubuntu. I'm just going to try Ubuntu. Okay, so right now I'm just going to check if my user file is able to read and write. So if it is able to do both these activities, then it is very easy for us to bypass the login. So go to this Ubuntu folder, click on other locations, and over here we have our Windows 10 storage disk. So click on this Windows 10. So over here we have the users folder. So right click and check. If you can see this cut option and move to option, you can easily bypass the Windows login. So I'm going to open this folder in my terminal. So right click and click open in terminal. Okay. So now I'm going to use a tool called CHNTPW. Okay. So using this tool, we are going to bypass the login. The file that we are going to hack is called as SAM file. Okay. So for that you have to first get into Windows. So get into Windows and again CD system 32 and then again so CD config. Okay. So if you click on ls, so yeah, so this is the file that we are going to hack into. Okay. So before hacking, we need the tool. So as I have given only try Ubuntu, we need to install the tool. So before installing the tool, I'm going to give this command. So sudo add apt repository universe. Click on enter. So now we are going to install the tool. So I'm going to clear this and sudo apt install CHNTPW. Great. So now this tool is installed. We are good to proceed. So I'm going to type sudo CHNTPW -i SAM. Okay, so now click on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit user data and passwords. So click 1 and click enter. Okay, so now this is my user, which is IE user. So it is default and that. So just click on enter. So I'm going to blank the user password. So you have to click on option 1. So after clicking that, everything is fine. Just click on Q. Okay, so after this again click on Q. Now you have to save this, you have to write this Hive files. So click on Y and click enter. So that's it. So now what you can do is just close this. After closing all these, I'm going to click on suspend. So click on the suspend and close this machine. Now again open your Windows machine. Now we should bypass the login without entering any password. Yes, so if you see, I'm not entering any password, but you can see the welcome page already. See, that's how it's done. So now we have bypassed the Windows login. So thank you guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.